Welcome to Premchand Sir One New Thoughts YouTube channels. India's biggest Bharat Ratna Award winner. India's biggest Bharat Ratna Award. C. Raja Gopal Chari. In years 1954, four Indian politicians, writer, historians. Satyam Sarpalli Radhakrishnan. He was born in 1954. His works in Indian philosopher, first Vice President of India. Third one, C.V. Raman in 1954, Indian physicist who carried out groundbreaking work in the field of light structuring. Bhagwan Das in 1955, Indian theosophist and a part of Central Legislative Assembly of British India. M. Visvesvaraya in 1955, civil engineer and statesman. Jawaharlal Nehru in 1955, Indian independence activist, first Prime Minister of India. Govind Ballabh Pant in 1957, Indian freedom fighter, one of the architects of modern India. Dhondo Keshav Karve in 1958, a social reformer in India in the field of women's welfare. Bidhan Chandra Roy in 1961, Indian physician, freedom fighter and politician. Purushottam Das Tandon in 1961. He has put enormous effort into achieving the official language of India status for Hindi. Rajendra Prasad in 1962, first President of India. Zakir Hussain 1963, third President of India. Pandurang Womankani in 1963, ideologist and Sanskrit scholar. Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966, second Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi in 1971, the only female Prime Minister of India. V.B. Giri in 1975, fourth President of India. Sheikh Kamraj in 1976, a leader of the Indian National Congress. Mother Teresa in 1980, an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic run and missionary. Vinoba Bhave in 1983, an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights. Abdul Ghaffar Khan in 1987, a Pashtun independence activist. M.J. Ramchandran in 1988, an Indian actor, filmmaker and politician who served as a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in 1990, an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer, parts of the Dalit Buddhist movement. Nelson Mandela in 1990, a South African revolutionary, political leader and philanthropist who served as a president of South Africa. Rajiv Gandhi in 1991, an Indian politician and sixth Prime Minister of India. Vallabhbhai Patel in 1991, the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Morarji Desai in 1991, an Indian independence activist, fourth Prime Minister of India. Abdul Kalam Azad in 1992, an Indian scholar, independence activist, and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. J.R.D. Ratan Tata in 1992, chairman of Tata Groups. Satyajit Ray 1992, Indian filmmaker, screenwriter, music composer, graphic artist, lyricist, and author. Arun Asaf Ali in 1997, an Indian independence activist, first mayor of Delhi. Gulzari Lal Nanda in 1997, Indian politician and economist who specialized in labor issue, Missile Man of India. M.S. Subbulakshmi in 1998, India Carnatic singer for Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Chidambaram Subramaniam in 1998, an Indian politician and independence activist. Jaiprakash Narayan in 1999, Indian independence activist, theorist, socialist, and political leaders. Amartya Sen in 1999, Indian economist and philosopher. Gopinath Bordoloi in 1999, first Chief Minister of Assam. Ravi Shankar 1999, an Indian musician and a composer of Hindustani classical music. Lata Mangeshkar in 2001, Indian playback singer and music director. Bismillah Khan in 2001, Indian musician credited with popularizing the Shehnai. Bhim Sen Joshi in 2009, Indian vocalist from Karnataka. C.N.R. Rao in 2014, currently the head of the Scientific Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India. Sachin Tendulkar in 2014, former captain of the Indian national team and one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. Madan Mohan Malviya 2015, an Indian educationist and politician. Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2015, Indian politician, statesman, and a poet. He served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. Pranab Mukherjee in 2019, 13th President of India. Nanaji Deshmukh in 2019, social activist. Bhupen Hazarika in 2019, an Indian playback singer, lyricist, musician, singer, poet and filmmaker from Assam. If this video is useful, then please like, please share, please subscribe, please press the bell icon, select all for new video, Premchand Sir, One New Thoughts YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.